Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. This boat is in the Glacier Green gel coat. It does include the tandem axle easy loader trailer shown. Both the boat and the trailer are lightly used and have only been used in freshwater. This boat was kept on a lake near Charlotte. Chrome graphics with silver model designator, white rub rail with stainless steel insert. This boat's powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verado. That's the 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engine. Only has 88 hours on it. We have the all activity tower, including rod holders and a tow bit, along with a pulling platform. Really wide stern seat with a high backrest that easily seats 3, maybe even 4. Got a reversible pilot seat with a backrest that can face fore or aft, with storage beneath the helm seat area. Gel coat on the underside of the hardtop matches the Glacier Green hull sides. Great bow lounge seating area with backrests that raise and lower. Huge sun pad, removable bow table, lots of storage beneath. Climb aboard and take a closer look. You have storage beneath the stern seat. Backrest comes down on a soft close. Also got a cooler that slides out. Storage beneath. Got a 9-inch Raymarine. Glove box. Digital throttle and shift on that Mercury Verado. Trim tabs with indicators. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. With JL audio speakers. Overhead light, the storage above, and rocket launcher style rod holders on the back. Got a battery charger on board for the trolling motor batteries. Pump out head. Live well beneath this forward console seat. This cushion does easily remove. Got cup holders, rod holders on both sides. Again, these backrests do come up. You can lay them down easily. All of these cushions easily removed to expose a nice casting deck area. And there's really large storage beneath all of the cushions, with 3 forward lockers. Got your anchor locker up front, and the boat also includes a motor guide trolling motor. That's a look at this 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Again, only 80 hours in freshwater used. If you have any questions or interest in this boat, give me a call directly at 843-574-8289, or you can email me at carl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Carl with a K. Thanks for watching.